Okay, so let's preface this with, I'm not a mechanic, I'm a tinkerer. Do this at your own risk. But this is how you put in the washer shims. Take off your wheel, obviously, jack it up, take off the wheel. That's gonna expose the hub, okay? In the center of the hub, there's a bolt. That bolt needs to be removed. That's gonna release the spline shaft out of the hub, okay? So you're gonna take a big bolt out. It'll probably have some blue Loctite on it. Take that out. That's gonna release the half shaft. So you'll be able to pull the half shaft out of the hub. The reason why you need to pull the half shaft out of the hub, this is the half shaft that goes into the hub right here. That ring gear gets in the way of these bolts. There's 4. There's 1, 2, and there's 2 on the bottom, 3 and 4. Once that main bolt is out, you can pull this and it'll dislodge, which will give you room to get an E-Torx socket onto these upper 2 bolts because that's in the way currently. Take these 2 bolts all the way out. Take the lower 2 bolts and just loosen them. What that's gonna do is that's going to allow you to shift the whole wheel that way. Then you slide the washer in between here, your hub, and your hub mount. Hold that in place and put the bolts back through with the washer squeezed in these upper 2 locations. Use blue Loctite on these when you bolt it back up. The reason why you have to put a chamfer cut on those washers is there is a collar that protrudes off this piece of steel, this bracket, and the washer won't lay flat. It'll lay at an angle on that collar. It's a raised collar to center this. By cutting that, it allows it to ride on the edge of that collar, and then the washer is just the rest of the washer. And then you just bolt it all back up. So what I did is I tightened the lower ones first and then torqued these down, and that's all it takes is about 1/4 width. And then you just reassemble it. That's it.